Welcome to Math Challenge 422. In Math Challenge 422, we have to find the square root of this fraction. Now the numerator is a perfect square, so there would be no problem. The denominator has a radical sign 25 minus root 624. So it is a denominator which is problematic or which could cause some problem, but we will show that it is really very easy. Math Challenge 422 for school exams, junior and senior Olympiads and competitive examinations. The square root of numerator, that is square root of 625 is 25. 25 into 25 is 625, so the square root of the numerator is 25. So we are required to find the square root of the denominator. 25 minus 624, the square root of this number we'll find out, which is actually what do you call irrational. 25 minus root of 624, and root of 624 will be a third, will be an irrational and third, so we have to find the square root of this. Now 624 can be written as 4 into 156. So square root of 624 will be square root of 4 into 156. Square root of 4 is 2, so we write it as 2 root 156. So actually the expression would be 25 minus 2 root 156. So we got 25 minus twice root 156. Now 156 is 13 into 12. We can write 156 as 13 into 12, and 25 we can write as 13 plus 12. So 156 is 13 into 12, 25 is 13 plus 12. So we get 13 plus 12 minus twice under root 13 into 12. Now 13 can be written as root 13 whole square. Root 13 whole square will be 13. Similarly, 12 will be root 12 whole square. Root 12 whole square is 12. And the this part can be written as 2 into root 13 into root 12. So what we are getting? Root 13 whole square plus root 12 whole square minus 2 into root 13 into root 12. Now this is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. Root 13 is a and root 12 is b. So root 13 whole square a square, root 12 whole square b square minus twice root 13 into root 12, that is ab. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is a minus b whole square, or root 13 minus root 12 whole square. So the denominator, which was 25 minus root 624, is root 13 minus root 12 whole square. But wait, the work is not finished yet. So the numerator, the square root is 25, and the denominator, the square root is root 13 minus root 12. To rationalize, because this is the denominator, so you have to rationalize the denominator, we multiply both numerator and denominator by root 13 plus root 12. This is called conjugate. Root 13 minus root 12, when you take the conjugate, you will get root 13 plus root 12. So multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate, that is root 13 plus root 12. Our object is to rationalize the denominator. So numerator is 25 into root 13 plus root 12, and denominator is root 13 minus root 12 into root 13 plus root 12. So this is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So root 13 square minus root 12 square, that is 13 minus 12, 1. So the denominator becomes 1, and the required answer is the numerator, which is 25 within bracket root 13 plus root 12, but as with all square root, we prefix the mandatory plus minus sign. So the answer is plus or minus 25 within brackets, that is into root 13 plus root 12. This is the required square root because the denominator is 1, so we don't write it.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.